Abberly Pointe Apartment Homes by HHHunt represents a new style of living in the beautiful Beaufort, South Carolina area. This community blends a tranquil, natural setting with an unmatched location that makes any commute feel like a breeze. Forget all about your worries as soon as you set foot on our lushly landscaped grounds. The magnificent trees, deeply characteristic to the Low Country, give our community a soothing ambience, which is further enhanced by the relaxing pond and the scenic walking trail meandering through our community. Get instant vacation vibes by spending summer afternoons at the invigorating zero-entry pool with an expansive sun deck, or by throwing a barbecue party at our outdoor picnic area. Work on your fitness goals by pumping iron in our cutting-edge fitness center, open 24/7. Don't neglect your career goals either. Our cafe bar with free Wi-Fi doubles as a great home office. The clubhouse is perfect for entertaining outside of your home and offers a cinema lounge. All these amenities and so much more. Enjoy unmatched comfort in spacious, pet-friendly floor plans with gorgeous, fully equipped kitchens and spacious living areas. The bedrooms boast large closets, a ton of natural light, and plenty of space. With 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans to choose from, you can select what works for you. All of our homes are equipped with smart technology, blending luxury and convenience. Experience the perfect balance of serenity, convenience, and comfort at Abberly Pointe Apartment Homes by HHHunt. All of this plus an award-winning on-site management and service team, 24 hours a day emergency maintenance, and the HHHunt How You Live lifestyle. Start living the life you deserve and contact us today for a tour of Abberly Pointe Apartment Homes by HHHunt in Beaufort, South Carolina. AbberlyPointe.com. Abberly Pointe is a part of HHHunt Apartment Living. Visit all of our communities at HHHuntApartmentLiving.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.